You. Ayun. Thank you so much once again, Maria. And got here our last guest for tonight. Ayun. Oh, from the mad world of event. Mad world yung event. So good evening, Kirby. Can you greet our viewers? Oh, salamat nga pala sa iyong comment sa iyo kay Pau kanina. Thank you from Borongan City. Mga daghang salamat sa inyong lahat. Alright, so ngayon, ito na ang ating final guest for tonight to talk about the upcoming biggest annual event of the Philippine Junior Marketing Association. Hello, Junior Marketista. College student pa lang ito, guys. Kirby, good evening.
Good evening po, Sir Raymond, and of course to the Edge TV Philippines family. Thank you so much po for having us sa Philippine Junior Marketing Association. So good evening everyone to all sa mga viewers natin sa live stream tonight. I am Kirby Baltazar, the Executive Vice President of the Philippine Junior Marketing Association and also the project head of this year's Mad World po.
Ang galing. Naalala ko last year na parang nakita ko sa may Smart Araneta kayo eh.
Yes po, sir.
Oo, minsan kasi dito ako sa may Santolan, sa may Marcos Highway. So, ang go-to namin is Cubao, di ba? Gateway, ganyan. Pero parang sabi, wow, Mad World, ah. Sayang nga lang, medyo wala akong team na pwede ma-dispatch na. Pero, kaya nga sabi ko, this time around, I would like to participate, at least ma-promote man lang, matulungan man lang, more promote.
Thank you so much po.
PJMA about, kasi this is a very, very big event. I think it's much bigger now this year than last year. Ganun ba yan? Getting better and bigger every year?
Yes po, sir. Actually, good to mention po na yung Mad World po is 15th year na po this year.
Ooh.
So 15 years na po nating sineselebrate or nagkakaroon ng Mad World po.
Bakit nga ba Mad World, di ba? Yun yung gusto kong malaman. Last year pa na-surprise ako. Why Mad World? Diba, hindi ko na sila naitanong. Sila Kyla, sila yung mga ibang previous officers, ano? Sige.
Yes po, sir. Yung word po na MAD, sir, is a combination po from a marketing and advertising po.
Ooh,
yun po talaga yung pinaka-definition po ng MAD. So marketing and advertising world. So since we are in a world of full of marketing and advertising, students in the industry po and a lot of opportunities po talaga na involved po ang marketing and advertising po.
I think it's also fitting na gamitin yung MAD, no, as an acronym kasi nga marketing is always linked or parang related to disruption. There was a time up, ito yung parang buzz. Kailangan medyo disruptive yung marketing na gagawin mo. Di ba? Even in the digital world, ganun pa rin. Kailangan medyo disruptive para mag-viral. Di ba? Things like that. So talagang very fitting naman. So, bakit nga ba, ano yung pagkakaiba? Kasi last year was big. Previous year was big. Every year it's getting bigger. How is Mad World 2025 different from the previous events, no? And the new things that are happening this year.
And po, sir. Yes po. There's a lot of difference po from last year, from this year po. First thing po, sir, is the venue. So, ang venue po natin this year is at PhilOil Eco Oil Center sa Flying V po sa San Juan City. So,
San Juan City. The home of itong mga sa basketball team to, di ba?
Yes po, sir. And volleyball po.
Oh, yeah. All right. Galing.
Po. Aside from that po, sir, sa venue natin, of course, we've strategically planned din yung mga topics na i-discuss. So, mas marami po ngayon, mas diverse po ang topics natin. So, for this year's Mad World po, sir, from last year na experiential marketing, ang i-discuss po natin this year is beauty marketing, fashion marketing, and equality marketing po. And marami po tayong mga invited speakers, guest speakers po to discuss several topics po that will help, of course, not just the marketing students, advertising students, but Mad World po is open for all. So mga business courses po, senior high school students are invited, and of course mga professionals po like you, sir, is invited po sa Mad World.
Very inclusive, no? Nakita
Yes
ko
po,
yung
sir.
Facebook page. There are so many things that are going to happen. The countdown itself is very, talaga exciting. So just to give them a glimpse, no? Actually, I uploaded here the teaser, no? The event teaser. I-play muna natin para mas medyo ma-excite yung ating mga viewers. Alright? Lock in, guys. Well, this is less than a minute. Here we go. Ayun. Sobrang sweet. Sobrang fast pero sweet. Pero, exciting talaga. Nabitin ako mag-flash ng mga comments eh. Ayan, sige, di ba mamaya magsa-shoutout si Kirby. Very active. Ano pag mga marketistas talaga always very active eh. Sige, so maybe ano ba yung pinaka main theme of this year, no?
Yes po, sir. Ang theme po natin for this year's Mad World po is, first, our title po is Mad World Beyond Style and Glamour. So we're going to talk about specifically, sir, fashion marketing, beauty marketing, and equality marketing. Since sa mga businesses po, very well used din po talaga ang fashion in terms of marketing their products, yung mga services po. And we want to explore po, of course, yung mga current and emerging trends, showcasing the innovative or mga new innovation po sa industry natin ngayon. Of course, for the future din po, for marketing.
So, yeah, we're looking at a parang global update kasi iba syempre yung local lang natin. So we have to be updated with the global trends, no? To be at par, no? With the strategies. Especially, this is a very disruptive world. Yung post natin, parang dati, it can last at least for a couple of hours. Ngayon, hindi na eh. You post something, after less than an hour, wala na siya. Sobrang, pag it doesn't gain traction, ano.
Yes po, sir.
So why did you come up with this? Ano ba yung the reason behind? Ito yung, well, primarily, of course, we know, fashion, kung malaki ang ginagastos niya sa marketing, endorsements, di ba? Mga apparel brands, mga yung mga aesthetic products, di ba? So bakit ito yung naging focus for this year?
Yes po, sir. From our brainstorming po, we all wear clothes and we do have different fashion statements. And even the men and women's po do beauty marketing. May mga skincare sila, yung hygiene nila, and even how to take care of themselves. For example, sir, kayo, I know ba mahilig kayo sa cap or you wear glasses. Different from me na wala po ang glasses and cap, but I wear formal attire right now. So, yung ganun, sir, na setup po na, but that's why we tap po yung equality marketing because all of the people po here in this world or mad world are equal, men and women from all ages po and status in life. Ganun po yung gusto po namin i-highlight.
Yeah, tama yung brainstorming and yung naging decision nyo. Kasi nowadays, the young generation, Gen Z down to Gen Alpha, are more fashion conscious na.
Yes po, sir, I agree.
Much more than our generation. No? Iba talaga ngayon eh, mas aware na sa self, sa branding, di ba? Even the colors, personal brand, di ba? Sobrang, kaya it's also good to know that marketistas like you, especially young marketistas like you, are on top of this, no? Talagang gusto niyo matakal ito because this is really how the Gen Zs and the Gen A are really um, yung mindset nila. Of course, kami rin from the older generation, meron din kami, pero ngayon sobrang bata, sobrang aga, no? So, pero if I may ask, sorry, I don't know if it is off topic or part of what we need to discuss. Is this a good thing as a marketing major? Is it a good thing that kasi younger generation now, talagang sobra. Ako narinig ko mismo sa grandson ko is only 15, turning 16. Sobrang fashion, sila, sobrang fashion conscious. Even their photography, kasi nagpo-photography na yung mga bata. Yes, content creators na rin sila eh. Even their photography, sobrang conscious na sa even the branding, the colors. No? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Based on your study siguro, research.
Yes po. Actually, sir, it's a good thing po. Kasi there are a lot of differences po. Yung mga perspective po nila are different in terms of choosing the color, choosing what elements po yung gagamitin nila in terms of marketing, advertising po ng mga business nila. Since sir ngayon, yung mga young marketers natin are based on our observation po, sir. Most of them have mga businesses po. Like sa cosmetics po, ganun, clothing line or brand. And they are very, I agree sir sa na-mention nyo, they are very conscious talaga in terms of yung mga deciding factor. That's why sir, ngayon sa Mad World on April 5, one of our breakthrough is Dress to Impress.
Oh.
And they have the...
Yes, vanity yung ganun yan.
Yes po sir, totoo po. We're going to actually want to mention po na kukuha din po kami from our attendees ng top 3 best dress.
Oh.
So we're really looking forward po sa mga po nila, dress po nila and outfits. Okay. Yes po sir.
So siyempre daming sponsor, so medyo sobrang I believe solid yung mga release niya, no? Yung mga para sa award, no?
Yes po sir.
By the way, guys, ito yung Facebook page ng PJMA, Philippine Junior Marketing Association. Nandyan lahat to get to know the whole story. So, mamaya i-share din natin maya-maya, no? As we continue with the conversation. Gusto ko lang malaman din yung yung about the speakers, How did you come up with the speakers, and pwede ba mabigyan mo kami ng konting siguro sneak peek lang naman. I don't want to force you to be a spoiler. Para ma-excite lang natin yung mga viewers.
Yes po sir. Yun po. We've partnered po with AGC, Power Holding Corp po, who handles the brands po na well-known sa fashion and beauty industry like Vogue Philippines po, One Mega Group. So our speakers po are from those industries po. We have speakers po, a publisher or a art director, fashion director from Vogue Philippines, yun po, One Mega Group, and the V-Man Philippines. We also have, of course po, from Havas Media Ortega. And nag-invite din po kami ng mga individuals po or mga personality like pwede ko na po i-mention si Sir Hybe po, paring Hybe, na well-known po sa watch naman po. We also have beautypreneurs, mga
beautypreneurs,
Yes po, sir.
Who coined, okay, beautypreneurs. That's good.
Ayun po, sir. To discuss po different topics po. Ayun po, sir.
Ayan, no? Titingnan natin. Pina-share ko na rin sa screen yung page, no?
Thank you so much po.
Para mas ma-excite sila. So pag-uusapan marketing trends, ideas, at saka practitioners mismo, no? You can see in the page, no, talagang hindi lang ito yung kumbaga mga theoretical people or academicians, no? Iba pa rin kasi mismo pag yung mga practitioners na yung na-i-involve. Step into style. Ayan, ito yung contest. Ito yung contest.
Yes po sir, we have mga pre-event games po sir with different brands po.
So what
time
will
the shoes po?
Oh, ganun, World Balance, One Up, Easy Soft. Oh, dami sponsor. Sana all. Alam mo naman kami sa broadcast at saka sa media. Yan yung mga kailangan natin. Ito, dress to impress. Yan, sabi ni Mary. So, pero open mo ba ito for mga people who want to register and join?
Yes po, sir. Our tickets are still available po. Nandito po sa QR code or link na nasa comment section po. Pwede po nating i-flash na lang po doon. Ayan po. So, available po ang tickets natin.
Yes, tapos, there is a registration fee, di ba?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, how much is that?
Ayan po. For our registration fee po, or ticket prices, we have 4 tiers po, sir. And thank you, shout out to Kenneth for sharing the link for our Mad World. And thank you so much po. We have 4 tiers po, sir. Upper box po, worth 590 pesos. We have lower box po na 690 pesos. VIP po with loot bags is 890 pesos. And we have a new parang tier po for this year's, the ringside po. Foam seating po siya. 990 pesos with loot bags po.
Oh, parang ano siya, ano yung tawag sa ganun? Mosh pit. Diba? Parang mosh pit siya. Ang galing naman. So this is not just a conference about marketing. Parang may kasama na itong fashion show. May kasama na ito. This is a one whole big event, no? Na that involves talagang major production. Sabi nga isang comment AGZ as a partner, wow, ibang level. Sabi, talagang sana, I wish ganyan din kami. Vogue magazine. So yung PMA, did they help you out with this? Di ba? Sila yung
yes po, sir, of course. We are affiliated po with the Philippine Marketing Association. Yes po.
Actually, partner namin sila sa kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. Last year, we had a contract signing with them. I'm excited not to...
congratulations po, sir.
O nga, nakakatuwa Nakakatuwa talaga na maging ka-partner ng mga marketing gurus ng Pilipinas. So, ano pa ba yung paano ninyo, ano ba inspiration behind this? Alam ko kasi ang laki naman itong event na to. Ilan nga ba yung PJMA team?
Apo. Yes sir, as of now po sir, ang National Executive Board po is 17 po kami.
Okay.
And we have regional directors po from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. 15 po sila. And then sir, we have training programs po. So dalawang training programs po 'yun, and almost 100 naman po ang numbers po nila. And but for the po sir, mga member schools po namin, almost mga 300 member schools po nationwide, tapping around baka 100,000 or 50,000 students na po siya nationwide po, sir.
That's good. It's good to know because the world needs a lot of marketing. Di ba kanina mayroon dalawang banda, di ba? We are a band. You need to know how to market yourself properly. Malaking problema dati yan ng maraming mga independent artists and bands. Until now, actually, meron pa rin may problema sa branding, sa logo, sa look, no? Hindi consistent. So I think, open ba? Can they also register if they want to be part of this? To
yes,
learn?
Po, sir.
Mga artist managers are also invited and encouraged to join?
Yes po, sir. Actually, sir, aside po sa mga speakers, invited din po natin yung mga performers. So, sa Mad World po, meron po tayong invited na choir, dance company, and mga performers po, like may invited po tayo na band, Quaderno, and a top leading performer po sa Philippines ngayon, si Earl Agustin. So, invited po natin siya sa Mad World po.
Oh, sabi nga ng isa, everyone is invited. Yeah. Of course, if you feel like talagang you're meant to be a marketista or makikinabang ka dito, of course, you should join. So ano pa ba yung mga ibang, ano yung pinaka-goal ninyo? Na halimbawa, ako attend, ano yung aking magiging, what's in it for me? Ano yung gino-goal ninyo for us to take home after this conference? And we know this is the biggest annual event PJMA.
Yes po. There's a lot of perks po and benefits when you attend or join Mad World 2025. First po sir, of course, yung mga topics natin is talagang marami pong matututuhan na new knowledges, strategies na magagamit po nila sa personal life, sa school, sa work, sa business. And aside from that po sir, of course, we're giving away e-certificates for all the attendees. Different X deals, mga vouchers po, discounts. Yan po, magre-release po kami for the ringside and VIP ng Blue Card na makaka-receive po sila ng exclusive discount sa mga brands po, well-known brands. And all attendees po are eligible then to join our sponsored brands and win prizes po, katulad po nung na-flash niyo po sir from World Balance. All attendees din po sir can win prizes sa mga raffle draws po natin.
Random, no?
Opportunity po to join our booth po. May mga booth po tayo and exhibitors. And also mga networking opportunities po to bond with different schools and business po. And of course, yung job fair po natin. We also have the One Movement Initiative po sir. Apo, One Movement Initiative.
So, if you're looking for a job, if you're on the hunt for a job, baka ito na, or project, side hustle, di ba? Especially marketing.
Or internship, sir, pwede po.
Ayun, di ba? Especially ngayon, I know for a fact, mga Gen Zs, ang hilig sa, side hustle, work, edit, voice over, VA, you guys, yung generation nyo, young as you are, gusto nyo na talaga yan to earn and to be, to be able to earn for yourself, hindi na laging nakasahod. Diba? So that's good. That's good. Okay, so ano pala, other highlights that you want to announce? We might be missing some information. Pero muna, what time will it start?
Our gates po will open around 11 a.m. po for them po na makaikot pa po sa mga booth and exhibitors po natin. We also have, of course, our red carpet po for them, dress to impress. We also have the photo box booth or the magazine booth po na pwede po nilang ma-access.
Pwede ba sila ma-feature sa mga Vogue? Di ba? There might be, mga winner. Yung mananalo ng dress to impress. Alright, galing.
So, but the event proper, sir, 1 p.m. po ang start.
1 p.m. So, yung 11 to 1, pwede natin, huwag na kayo magbaon ng bring your lunch, your packs. Kasi marami na dyan. Kasi there are a lot of exhibitors for sure. Ang dami yung choices dyan. Right before the show. Right? Tama, no? Marami na sila mabibilihan dyan,
Yes po, sir. Actually, may mga food concessionaires po tayo inside the venue. Na
parang hindi kayo lalabas. You won't miss anything.
Po, sir.
Kasi mahirap yung palabas-labas Pagbalik nyo, you miss out on some important sessions, di ba? So, ganito, from 1 p.m. to up to what
7
time?
7 p.m. po, sir. 7 p.m. po.
Okay, so talagang fully packed ito, for sure. So, kailangan talaga magbaon na ng madami. Marami namang kape dyan. Tsaka I'm pretty sure hindi kayo talking with this kind of an event. No? For sure, very high octane, electrifying. Okay. So Kirby, baka meron pa tayong hindi natakal. Tsaka baka meron ka palang gusto rin pasalamatan. Because, I know this is, kasi I'm into events also. I know how hard it is. Sobrang laki pati nitong event ninyo ngayon. So yung expected attenders nyo, crowd, is how many?
Our expected attendees, sir, is 4,000 po.
Wow,
4,000 people.
Yes, so talagang matinding event management. I remember early last year ba yun? Yeah, I had the privilege of meeting your board nung sa isang Go Negosyo event. Okay, galing. Sisipag niyo talaga. So ayan, sige, go ahead. The floor is yours. You can make acknowledgements, even sponsors, walang problema. At saka sa all the people you want to thank. Go ahead, please.
Alright po. First of all, once again, good evening everyone sa mga viewers natin sa live stream. Of course, first of all, I would like to thank Edge TV Philippines, of course, Sir Raymond for having us, the Philippine Junior Marketing Association. So I am Kirby Baltazar, the Executive Vice President of the Philippine Junior Marketing Association. And on behalf of the 38th National Executive Board, I am beyond excited to invite you all guys to the grandest junior marketing and advertising convention in the Philippines, which is the Mad World 2025 Beyond Style and Glamour, happening this April 5, 2025, Saturday at PhilOil Eco Oil Center in San Juan City. So, yung mga napag-usapan natin kanina namin nila Sir Raymond. So, this is not just an event, but this is a movement. So get ready, guys, for this spectacular lineup of industry leaders, mga game-changing insights, innovation, immersive experiences that will, of course, redefine you guys in marketing, fashion, and storytelling. So I humbly invite you guys to join us as we go beyond trends, beyond aesthetics, and beyond limits to uncover the deeper impact of marketing, advertising, in shaping industry and culture. So don't miss out, of course, our one-of-a-kind experience this year's Mad World. Grab your tickets now, secure your seats, gather your classmates, your friends, your loved ones, and let's make history together at Mad World 2025. So see you all, marketistas. Thank you so much po, Sir Raymond. Sorry po, sir, to cut you off. Na-mute po si Sir Raymond po.
Nga, no? Na-mute po ako. So congratulations, more power sa inyo. Young as you are, talagang very focused, very on top of the game, and inclusive. Yun ang maganda rin, very inclusive. Generous generation kayo. We're looking forward to seeing more events, no? More activities from PJMA. More power sa inyo. I hope someday magkaroon din tayo ng mga something alignment in some of the projects, no? Or collaboration. It's always been a pleasure. It's always a pleasure
sir.
To partner up with young people like you. Especially marketing. I'm a frustrated marketista. Kasi it's always a must for us in the media and the broadcast. Kaya nga na-partner na lang kami sa PMA. So sana PJMA. So guys, secure your tickets. Ayan. Let's not lose focus. Ayan. Ayan. I-click nyo lang yung link, and more power to Philippine Junior Marketing Association. Their page na nandun na. Nasa pinakataas na ng comment section. But anyway, madali na mahanapin yan. On Instagram, PJMA_official. Shoutout ka para sa mga nanonood dyan, nakalive din tayo. Sinabay ko na kasi mga Gen Z active din sa sa Instagram. Okay. All right, so are we forgetting anything? Kompleto na ba? Are we done?
Yes, sir.
Mga acknowledgements sa inyo mga sponsors, okay na ba yan? Goods na ba
yes
yan?
po, sir. Siguro I'll generally acknowledge them po, of course, our mga partners po, sponsors. Of course, one of them is Edge TV Philippines, of course, the Philippine Marketing Association, Havas Media Ortega, to the AGC, PHC, and the Prestige Paper Products. So we like to acknowledge everyone and thank everyone for this biggest or grandest convention in the Philippines for marketing and advertising students. So without you guys, hindi magiging successful, of course, ang Mad World 2025. So thank you so much po, everyone.
All right. So congratulations, more power. This is happening on Friday na to, di ba? Friday?
Saturday, sir. April 5 po. Yes
5
po.
yun, 5, hindi pala 4, sorry. April
Apo.
5, Saturday at San Juan City. Anong gym yun ulit?
Phil Oil Eco Oil Center po, sir.
Phil Oil Eco Oil Center. All right. So
Apo.
thank you, Kirby, PJMA,
Thank you
more
so
power.
much, Sir Raymond.
Marketing
More
Stars.
power po. Thank you po.
Right, and keep up the good work. Goodbye for now. Good night, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Good night po.